Ever scrolled through your phone, eyes glazed over endless expense reports, and thought, there has to be a better way? Or maybe you've seen those quirky Expensify ads and wondered, is this for real? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into the world of automated expense management and find out if Expensify is just clever marketing or a genuine solution for businesses worldwide. Think back to the days of shoeboxes overflowing with crumpled receipts, the tedious hours spent manually entering data into spreadsheets, and the inevitable headaches of tracking down missing information. For many businesses, this was the painful reality of expense management. It was time-consuming, prone to errors, and frankly, a drain on productivity. This is the problem Expensify set out to solve. Founded in 2008 by David Barrett, Expensify emerged with a clear mission to simplify and automate the entire expense reporting process. The core idea was to leverage technology to eliminate the manual drudgery associated with expense tracking. Imagine snapping a photo of a receipt, and the app automatically extracts the key information, the vendor, the date, the amount. No more manual data entry. This was a game changer for individuals and businesses alike. But is it just a fancy app? Absolutely not. Expensify has grown into a comprehensive platform offering a suite of features designed to streamline every step of expense management. Beyond receipt scanning, it provides tools for automated approval workflows, direct reimbursement, company card reconciliation, and integration with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This end-to-end approach transforms a cumbersome process into a seamless, efficient operation. Over the years, Expensify has garnered significant traction and established itself as a leading player in the expense management software market. Millions of users across various industries, from small startups to large corporations, rely on Expensify to manage their expenses effectively. They've processed billions of dollars in expenses, saving countless hours for finance teams and employees. Furthermore, Expensify is a publicly traded company, listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol EXFY. This public listing provides transparency and accountability, demonstrating its legitimacy and financial standing. Publicly traded companies are subject to rigorous regulatory requirements and regular financial reporting, further solidifying their status as real and established entities. Beyond the core expense management features, Expensify continues to innovate and expand its offerings. They've introduced features like Expensify Card, a corporate card designed to integrate seamlessly with their expense management platform, providing real-time visibility into spending. They've also ventured into bill payment automation, further streamlining financial operations for businesses. So, the next time you see an Expensify ad or grapple with a pile of receipts, remember that Expensify is far more than just a catchy name. It's a real, publicly traded company that has revolutionized how businesses manage their expenses. From its humble beginnings aiming to eliminate manual data entry to its current position as a comprehensive financial management platform, Expensify has undeniably made its mark. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.